What's up, you guys? We are back at it again with another YouTube video. I just finished school not too long ago. It is currently about to be 4:20. Hey. But yeah, we just finished school, so we're gonna go ahead and drive on home. I am gonna wash the car today because she's looking a little filthy. So I'll get this car started up and we'll head over to the car wash. Okay, we got camera on. Let's go ahead and get this thing started up. I low-key feel kind of awkward walking around, even in the parking lot with the camera. It's kind of weird. But my teacher let me out early today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this car washed. Dude, she is so filthy. Like, it's not even funny. I can't even remember the last time I washed this car. I've been neglecting the Integra. That Supra's so freaking nice. Got a little lip, a little spoiler in the back, a little carbon fiber. That thing is clean, dude. I think it's tough. All right, let's go. Car is warm. Ah, dude, that Supra's freaking tough. It has mismatched wheels. Dude, slicks in the back. All right, right now it's 4:30. People are literally just about to get off work, so I know it's gonna be freaking bunch of traffic when we're gonna be headed home. That's why I don't want to lower my car. All these damn speed bumps are so fucking bad. Like, even if I go slow, it's like, yeah, it's a lot. Yeah, since it's 4:30, we're gonna hit rush hour right now. You guys are gonna experience SoCal rush hour traffic. This shit better be horrible. Yeah, I know I haven't recorded in a minute. I don't even know why. I haven't picked it up. It's because the car's been so dirty. But now I have a reason. I'm gonna go freaking wash this thing. Even the inside, like I need to vacuum the carpets and everything. I'm gonna get a little self detail. And I've been sick too. I literally had to call out of work for like almost 2 weeks. It was so bad. I had a sinus infection. Couldn't stop coughing. It's horrible. I also just got a mic for the camera, so I hope the audio's a little bit better. You can hear my voice a little bit clearer and shit. But the way that I take home, it's really not that much of the freeway, so I don't know how much traffic we're gonna hit. We only really get on the freeway at the end. Brother. See, we can keep going straight down that way, and I know there's going to be a bunch of traffic. So there's a couple schools that we're going to pass if we go that way. So I know it's going to be bad. So we're going to take a little different approach. Hopefully skip some of this traffic. So satisfying to rev match after not knowing for so long. I used to either give it too much and my car would like jump forward, or I wouldn't give it enough and it'd feel like you're being thrown forward because the car's coming back. You're not giving it enough revs. Sometimes I still mess it up, but I've been getting the hang of it. Oh, look at that EG. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw that. Little red EG6. No, I don't know if it was an EG6. I low-key don't even know which car wash I'm gonna go to. Because usually I just wash it at my girlfriend's house, but she's at work right now. And I'm not gonna pull up to her house if she's not there. But I got nothing else better to do. Might as well wash the car. Not getting on the freeway right there. You know, damn well traffic's gonna be bad. I always love driving past that yellow Corvette. I think it's a C5. I think it's so tough. The pop-up headlights, and it's so sleek. I'm not really a American muscle guy. When I was a little kid, I didn't really know a lot about cars. My favorite car was fucking Bumblebee, the 5th gen Camaro. And then started dating my girlfriend. They have like little Japanese cars. And I found out what an Integra was. And I was like, oh, yep, I need that. And we got that. I want to go to a Cars and Coffee and see some of the cool builds. I never been to a car meet before. I really only see cool cars when I'm driving. It'd be cool to see some builds up close, you know, some inspiration. I always like watching car meet videos on YouTube though. Honda Acura Morning. I think that one's in the Bay Area. I have a bunch of Honda meets. I love going fast on this road with this fucking Corolla. Now we gotta go the speed limit. traffic is. Nice little WRX, like that. 2 WRX in a row. I think this is the VB, the newer one. They're clean. I would just paint match the trim that they all have. I've seen them paint matched and they look really nice. Like an all black one, oh my gosh. I think that's the VA. I don't know though. A more Honda, not Subaru. M340i. Not a BMW hater. And I'd probably get one if I had a lot more money. Most people who have BMWs got a lot more money. Just like me a 4-banger. I don't know what it is. And you know, gotta put on the baton steering wheel club, even though I'm gonna be right here the entire time. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this car. I'll probably bring you guys with me, but probably stand you guys up somewhere. We'll see what happens. Yeah, this thing is dirty. Look at that. Sorry, I have not taken care of you. This is the first time you guys get to see the Integra looks like from the outside. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing washed up right now. Okay, we just finished cleaning the Integra. It looks good. Not the best, but she's a lot better than before. It's kind of crowded and I still need to vacuum the inside, so I'm gonna go home and do that since I have a vacuum at home. But yeah, she's looking nice. She's looking real good. We will see you guys back at home. Literally live like 2 minutes from this car wash, so be a tiny little POV back home. That was my first time using one of these car washes. It was cool. It was okay. The foam machine didn't really work. So it was basically just like a rinse the entire time. But it was cheap and it was quick, so that's all that really matters. Okay, we officially made it home. Let's go see how the car looks now. It was kind of rushed when I was at the car wash. Okay, you guys, right now, car is getting cleaned. Just did the driver's side, about to do the passenger side. Eli, say what's up.
What's up?
It's my little brother. But yeah, this thing has been neglected. I haven't cleaned the inside in a minute, so we're gonna go ahead and clean the inside. Make sure she's nice, not all dusty and crusty. She's looking nice, smelling nice, but we'll be back once we're finished. Eli. Yeah guys, but right now we just finished cleaning up the inside. I just gotta dust this thing off, and I think that's gonna wrap up the video. I appreciate you guys for clicking on the video. I know I haven't posted in a minute. I'm gonna try and be more consistent with my uploads. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.